Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. And today I have a Stampin' Up kit unboxing for you. So if you'd like to purchase this kit or any other Stampin' Up kits, or any Stampin' Up products from me, here is my host code, and you can just go to stampinup.com and look for or go to where it says find a demonstrator and put in my name, Tammy Dameron, and click on my name, and that's how you can use me as your demonstrator. And then remember to put in my host code, and then you can order under me. And so also, if you would please remember to give this video a thumbs up, a like, that sure would help my channel. And please, if you would share. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it so much if you would please subscribe, click that notification bell for all notifications. That way YouTube will notify you when I make new videos, and I would appreciate it if you come back and see more of my videos. I'd love to have you. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this kit. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you'd say hello and let me know. And let's get on into this kit. So I do hope there's enough lighting. I'm in the middle of changing some things around, so I only have my little bitty ring light right now. So I do apologize about the shadows and the lighting being different right now. I made a video showing you kind of the mess that's going on, but you know what? I have been so busy, I have not even had a chance to get it. The editing and the posting and everything done yet. So I'll have to get that done as well. But I wanted to make sure and get this done and get it up because I got a class and I was going to be doing this in my class. So I thought, oh my goodness, I haven't even shown y'all this yet. So this is one of the kits, and I already showed a sneak peek of it in one of my videos, but it comes wrapped up with this, and that's why the packaging's off, and it's called Love Santa Tag Kit. Okay, so I'd already taken the package off just so I could show a little sneak peek of what comes in the kit with my big unboxing. All right, so here is what it looks like. It's kind of like a paper pumpkin kit, except with every one of these kind of kits from Stampin' Up, you get a clear block every time. And unless, the only time you don't get a clear block is if there's no stamping involved. If they've already got everything stamped out and you just punch out what you need. So if there's no stamps and ink, then you don't need a stamp block. So the little ink spot is Night of Navy. Okay, and we're going to take out, and here are the stamps, which I'll show you a little bit better in just a minute. Now the great thing about this is you don't have to just make, of course, tags. Here's what's in the kit, and what it shows that you can make. But the great thing about this is you can just lay these right onto card bases and make really cute cards or embellishments or whatever you would like. Okay, so you know what? I did not bring a pair of scissors over here. Let me get some scissors. All right, so let us see. Everything that's in this cute little kit. I fell in love with the kit, of course, because of the little truck on it. And I, of course, knowing me, I'm not going to use it the way it's meant to be for just tags. I don't really do any gift giving anymore. Our family just really doesn't do that too much anymore. Basically because we just all don't have the money to do that. And all of our family is pretty much spread out and all. I try to send like I always keep this cardboard. It's nice to keep. I try to send my grandkids that live down south, back in Georgia. I try to send them something, a gift or something, but that's about it. So here, this is like the instructions. And of course, the paper pumpkin kit is basically the same way. It's so easy. They give you complete instructions here. Of course, this shows you everything that's in the each piece here. And it shows you that you can make 4 different tags. And then these are the instructions how to make each kit. And it's all done in pictures. So, I mean, this is real easy for a child. So if you want to get these kits for your child or to do with your child or anything, very simple. So that's nice. You don't need anything but, you see, maybe some scissors to cut your twine. It's already got like a ruler on the side for some measurements if you need to measure anything. But yeah, that's it. That's all you need is like some scissors. And usually everybody has some scissors. If you need to order some scissors, you can order them from Stampin' Up from me. If you want any cardstock to make card bases or anything, you can order that. So if you want to order anything extra to go with it, you can do that. But everything's always right in these kits, and that's what's fun. You got little glue dots. You got your Stampin' Dimensionals. And like I said, if you need any more glue dots or Stampin' Dimensionals, you know, because of making like cards or, you know, to make this kit go further, you can always order them. And I like the glue dots that you can order because they're a lot nicer. But I do use these too. So we've got these little tags here that we will be stamping on. And before I punch those out, let me just show you. These are the stamps. So we've got Love Santa, Joy, Special Delivery, Mary, To and From, and Bright, and Christmas. And then this little, I think it looks like a feather or, oh, okay, not really a feather. It's like, what am I saying? Pine. So that's like a pine branch. And then we got the little berries. I don't know why I was saying a feather. Feather. It's Christmas. So it's a pine branch. I guess after Christmas you could use it for a feather. And then we have the little package. So, because yeah, they've got it right here. Right here. All right, so these are the stamps that go with the kit. And then we have these cute little bling. So we got the smaller ones here, and then the larger ones. And they're like iridescent, kind of, but they look like they're pink and kind of white and yellow looking. So those are really cute. And then we have these really cute Santa and trees that are supposed to be the tags. And then these are the other ones. We got, let's see here, we got 1, 2, 3 pages of those. And let me punch so you can see them better. There's Santa. And like I said, these would make such cute and easy cards. That's the tree. There's the Santa. And then, of course, you've got your little truck. This is what really sold me. This truck. Look at that with the packages. Loving the truck. And then you have just the regular little tag here that you can decorate. And let's see, what else do we have? Okay, we got some other little tags that are more of the yellow. This is the bumblebee color. That's what that is, bumblebee. And then we've got some other little ephemera pieces to punch out. Use for decorations. That. These cute little pieces here. I was trying to look to see what these were used for. Thinking some of these are just extra. Now this one, it looks like it's used for the tree. Okay, and that one's used for this. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of layering going on. That's why they have so many pieces here. Okay, so these are really cute. So you got all these pieces so you can use for layering. So these are really cute, and then just layer these up and then pop them onto a card base, really. How cute. Oh, this will be fun. And then of course, like I said, you've got a block and your ink. Oh, and I almost forgot, and you've got your twine. So let me know what you think, and I would hurry up and see about getting one of these if you're interested, because they will probably go pretty fast. And then also remember about the next paper pumpkin kit coming up. If you'd like to see about getting the kit, I think Christmas ones are gone, but the next one is really cute coming up. So if you're interested in getting involved in paper pumpkin. So I thank y'all so much for watching, and I just covered up everything so cute. So so y'all keep watching for more videos, and y'all have a very blessed day, and I'll see you again soon in the next one.